it's Sam. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips on kind of just like closet storage. I'm just going to be sharing with you guys like my closet. Hopefully you guys find this helpful. Let's go ahead and get into my closet. Okay, so over here is my first closet. This rack is from IKEA. It's great because it has a little shelf for shoes. You can make it super tall, you can have it shorter. It's great. So it is adjustable, and then basically on the end here I just put my hats, whoops, and like little bags and stuff. But this is where I have my immediate new stuff. So when I go shopping and I get new items, I immediately hang them up here so that I know this is all my new stuff, and I keep them on here basically for, I don't know, probably a good month. I'd say a month or so. And that way I can see all of the new stuff that I have, and those are the items that I wear on a regular basis. But when I'm ready to do a try on haul, I have them all here. They're all hung up, they're organized, and then like this, for example, I got from Forever 21. You probably would have seen it. This will stay here for a little while, and I will wear these until I have a new batch of clothing for a try on haul for you guys. So you guys probably have seen all of these. This is from Boohoo. This is from Target. That's from Target. This is my daily look. This is Forever 21. This is still a Nordstrom one. I wear this a lot. This is a daily look. So this is basically all of like my newest stuff, and then my newest shoes. So this is really great to have if you do have a lot of clothes and you do buy a lot, because then you can see exactly what you've just purchased. It doesn't get mixed in with all of your other stuff. And if you know like, oh, I really want to wear this and I'm going to post it on Instagram, then you know it's already here. And that just keeps me a little bit more organized and kind of knowing of like what is newer in my closet. The velvet hangers are just so pretty, and they really make your clothes hang a lot nicer. I always get mine at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. They always have really cute ones there, and then I love them because they're all rose gold and it just looks really pretty hanging up. So I will link the rack, and I will try and find the hangers. I think they have them on Amazon for you guys as well. But that's like my main, this is my main kind of closet where I usually go to first. Okay, so now we are in my actual closet. So this closet is a decent size. It's not huge. I'm not rich. I don't have a mansion, but it's a good sized closet. So up there I keep all of my PR boxes because they're pretty and I like them. And basically there's Candy Johnson's collaboration with Too Faced. I don't know, I'm just all sentimental and weird like that. So this over here is Jay's section. He's a simple man. He doesn't need much space, which is great. I married the right kind of person because it allows me to have the rest of the closet. So he has all of his jeans and shorts hung up there. Again, I have the gray velvet hangers for him. I got those at TJ Maxx. And then down here, he has all of his shirts and sweaters. So that's all the space he takes up. And then he has his shoes right here. There's also some shoes down below. And then the rest of it is for me. So yay for men who don't take up much room in the closet. And then over here is where I keep all of my like fall sweaters. So I have like my little blazers, kind of coats, jackets, sweaters. There's a couple of hangers there that I just recently pulled sweaters off. And then I tried to keep it like, you know, within a pretty color organized section. These hangers don't all match, which is, I need to work on that because I have been doing that slowly, but it takes forever. Then this is where I keep all of my fall boots. So I have my like over the knee boots down here. And then I have all of my like little ankle booties here. So when it was summer, I kept all my booties down below, and then this would all be like sandals or like heels, like, you know, more summery clothes. And then up here, I have just like skirts, and then those are like backgrounds for filming when I used to have like all the sparklies behind me. I might switch it up for Christmas, I'm not sure. But that's just how I have all of my like skirts displayed. And then up here I have like bigger bags, so like my laptop bags, my bag for when I go on the plane, just like bigger totes. And then down here is where I have my smaller bags. So these are all my crossbodies. So, and then of course I have a little tray of perfume. So I have like my Coach, Rebecca Minkoff, Michael Kors. This is just a super glam kind of fancy, like if I have a nighttime event, which hardly ever happens for me anymore, but you know what, these things might happen. We went to like a benefit, like a, I don't know what they're called, like a charity gala, is that what they're called, type thing, and I used that and it was really cute. This one is no, it's not Butter London, Ted Baker. This one is Summer and Rose, Michael Kors, Tory Burch, Ted Baker iPad holder, but I don't have an iPad. This one is from Good to Be. Alex sent this to me and I just haven't found the right place to wear it yet. So that's why it still has a tag on, but I just love it. It's so colorful. I just feel like I just need to go to like, you know, on vacation and then take it with me. And then this one is a Michael Kors bag that I love so very much. And then over here, I just have a little Rae Dunn tray with some of my favorite perfumes. So I have the Replica, the Versace Michael Kors Wonderlust. This is like a Juicy Couture Glacé or something like that. I can't remember what that one's called. And then this is Hene Mori. I never know how you say that either. And then this one, sorry, that was just, I didn't know where that went. This is my little Too Faced Sweet Peach. When I got invited to the Sweet Peach launch party, they gave us a little bag, and so that's just sitting there. Okay, then down here, I actually just covered this with marble contact paper because it didn't look very cute, and I was like, oh, this is like not adorable. So I just got some marble contact paper and like cut it to size and just put it on here to make it look like a little nicer, because you know, these kind of, they're not the cutest things in the world. And when you have rentals, like you have to figure out ways to make things look cute. Marble sheet contact paper is the way to go. I just have a little dish here with my lotion. These are all of Jay's colognes at the moment. And then back there, I just have all of my like pumps. So then if you move over from the bag shelving, I have all of my pants. So I have all my jeans, my yoga pants, all back there is like kind of loose pants. And then in the very back, I have sweats. And then look, I organized all of this so that every single one, that's wrong. That light pink one's not supposed to be in there. But all of these are matching, and then I just feel like it looks so much better that way. So those are all of my jeans. I have all of my kind of like mule and kind of like slide on type shoes there. And then over here, this one's a bit of a mess down here because this is where I keep like my extra hangers for when I'm doing laundry and I'm hanging everything up. Over here I have all of my shirts, again, all my matching ones. And then up here I have like actual sweater or sweatshirts. So not sweater like material, but just like long sleeve and sweatshirts. And then all of my tank tops there. And then over here I have all of my dresses. And then extra hangers. So that's like all of, and those ones are all organized with my hangers as well. So I just feel like it just makes it look a little bit more, you go in there and you're like, oh, my closet looks so nice. I love it. On the back here, I've just got those little sticky things. One of them fell off. This is where I hang my like little satin robes. And then over here is where I have a IKEA storage shelf. So I have two of them stacked up on top of each other, and this is where I keep like extra makeup bags. In here I have extra makeup bags. In here I have just makeup products that I need to like put away, but I haven't yet. Oh, this is all my receipts for taxes. Good old taxes. Then in here is just like extra makeup brush holders. It's my SL Miss Glam. And then this one has more makeup bags. Oh wait, I'm sorry. I think in here I have stuff for a giveaway. And then there, my sneakers are not put away. Usually I put them under there. And then I just have a little stool right here. This I just got from TJ Maxx online. It's really cute because I can't reach this stuff very well. So then usually what I'll do is I'll step up onto my stool and then I can actually reach my stuff. It's pathetic. Short girl problems. I know I have to have a stool in my closet. And then it's really great if you're getting dressed and you are having to like put your heels on that like are clasp, or you're putting your socks on or whatever. It's also great for stacking laundry when you need to hang everything up. So yes, that's my little stool. This rug is from Target, and I love this rug. It's just nice. Our house in Montana had a pretty decent closet, but I think this one's actually set up a lot better. I feel like it can fit a lot more clothes. And then these are just all drawers. So like this is Jay's underwear, that's my underwear, and then the very bottom one is bathing suits. So that is how I store my clothes and keep everything organized and kind of like decide what's gonna be on the rack out there versus what's gonna be in my closet. Now obviously there's new stuff in here as well. And then on the door here, I just have my little hanger that I made, and it just kind of looks cute when the door is closed in the bathroom. So yes, there is my closet tour, guys. My closet tour and how I organize my clothes. Velvet hangers are your friend because they take up so much less space than plastic hangers. That's another tip. Get velvet hangers. Not only will it hang your clothes a lot nicer, but you can fit so much more clothes into your closet than if you had plastic hangers. Plastic hangers take up twice the amount of space. So if you're trying to fit a ton of clothes in to your closet, invest in some velvet hangers. I'm telling you, it will be a lifesaver. You're gonna love them. They're not that expensive, and then you can fit so many more clothes in there than if you had plastic hangers. Like, when I had plastic hangers, I couldn't fit nearly as much stuff in my closet as I do now. And then by doing it with color as well, like how I have the whites with the whites and the pinks, and like color coding also, like if it's on a purple hanger, then I know it's a dress. If it's on a bright pink hanger, I know they're all jeans. These ones are all pretty neutral for the most part, and then all of my tops are in the cream hangers with the gold, the rose gold. It just makes it more organized, and then it's just easier to get dressed in the morning, I feel like. Oh, and then underneath here is where I keep all of like my sandals, and then like my teaks, all of my teaks back here. So there you guys go. I hope you guys find this helpful and kind of like maybe it inspires you to clean out your closet. So there's my tips on how to keep your closet organized. If you are someone who likes to shop, this is my job. So me making these try on videos for you guys is part of what I do. Obviously, if I wasn't doing like YouTube videos, I probably would not be buying this many clothes. It's just the fact that you guys really like these videos. They're very helpful, I feel like, to a lot of people. It's content for you guys that you like and you enjoy, and I of course love doing it. Like, shopping is great. I love buying clothes. It's my favorite thing to do. If you are someone who does like to shop and you need to figure out a better way of like making room for your new purchases, there's my tips. I hope you guys find it helpful. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.